Hello, everybody. So today we're doing the wiring on this garage. We uh, we just started today, so I'm gonna go through some of the outlets so I can show you where do we put them. So right here we have the main the sub panel, and I already put the breaker. So is this one at 20 amp. That 20 amp is gonna feed all the plugs in this garage. So this is the wire that goes to there. It's gonna come over here, and from there it's gonna go. It goes up and then comes down over here. This is a 12 gauge wire, 12-2, and the plugs we put them around 48 inches above the floor. So see over here, the wire comes all the way to here. And it goes over here to the next outlet here. It's a little dark, but yeah, that's all the light we can get. I'm gonna do I'm gonna tie those ones later. And right here on the corner, well, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, we just drill it with a large bit, and it goes very easy. So I put them like basically like the inside of the house, like 12-6, the distance. And we have this one on the corner. From this one I went up, and yeah, I staple it every like 3 feet, and so it comes down to this one, and then it goes to this one outside, and then it goes to another one outside, but it's on the top. That's gonna be for the Christmas light, I think. And from that one, I run it to that one there that is gonna feed the garage door opener. So that's what we have for the receptacles. That's for the garage door opener. And for the lighting, we're gonna be having 4 recessed lights. Somewhere, what is it, over here, and somewhere over here, and the other one, well, it's gonna be like a square. And also I'm adding a couple of outlets just in case they wanna hang some tube lights. I'm also installing a couple of motion sensors. So one of them is gonna be over here on this area, facing the outside, and the other one here on the front of the house. Over here, I'm also because we have a door that goes to the side. So right here I'm adding another light, but it's gonna be on this side, so it will catch more of the hallway. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. uh, I'll be running the light, the 14.2 for the lights tomorrow. So yeah, I'll post more of it tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you.